Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change video quality on Facebook Reel. So if you're on a Facebook Reel and you want to change the video quality, then here's a video for you. So if I don't love this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change video quality on Facebook Reel, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook app. Now scroll through and locate the Facebook Reel you want to adjust its video quality, then open it. Once open the video just like this, click on the three dots at the bottom right of the video. Then once you selected that, then you should see video quality. So go ahead and click on the quality settings. Once you selected quality settings, then you should have the quality and then data saver. If you turn on data saver, you may want to disable this to improve the quality based on your network, or select the quality you want to use, and then here switch from 1080p to 1080p, 720p, 640p, or even 240p. You can see that. So once you select the video quality you want here, that's going to change the quality of the Facebook Reel. So that's exactly how to change Facebook Reel video quality. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.